everyone. It's Keto Mukbang time, OMAD style. Welcome everyone, great to see you. I am back doing another keto mukbang for you guys. This is my one meal a day. Now I am still in weight loss. I'm trying to lose a little bit more weight. My brother's got a challenge going for the month of December on his Facebook page, and we're all trying to lose a little bit of weight before the holidays. I'm pretty much at my goal, but I always want to drop just a few more pounds. And when you do, you want to really drop those calories down because it's so much harder to lose weight when you're at the last few pounds. So I'm doing one meal. In my one meal, I always try to keep it in about a half-hour window every day, within like 24 hours. But I've been going longer and longer. I'm at like 30 hours since I ate. So I'm trying to get to a 2-day fast. That's what I'm doing or whatever. So here's what I'm going to have tonight. It is pretty low. It's around 500 or 600. I have got iceberg lettuce here. Wrapped inside is chicken breast. I've used one can. It was a larger can of chicken breast. And I rinsed it all off under the water. I always rinse those cans. Even though they're done in water, I rinse them. And then I've taken 2 tablespoons of mayo and 2 slices of a cheddar cheese. So it gives me that fat right there, because that would be like 200 for the mayo and then like around 200 for the cheese, so that's 400. And then right here I've used a couple pads of butter to cook. I've got about 8 shrimps in here. They're medium-sized shrimp, and I cooked those up in about 2 tablespoons, so that would bring it around the 600 calorie mark. And then of course the shrimp and the chicken are going to be very low. And then I've taken just a half of cup of cauliflower rice, and then at the end, after the shrimps were all cooked and I heated up the rice, the cauliflower rice in the microwave, I just mixed it together and added some mild hot sauce on here. It's the Buffalo Wing mild hot sauce. If you have a Buffalo Wild Wings, it's their mild sauce. I love it. It's great. So like I said, I've got about 600 calories here, and you know, that's nice and low, and it's a great meal here. It'll definitely fill me up, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. And then my drink, I'm just having this water that I have enhanced with Mio. I'm using a blueberry lemonade. So just didn't want plain water tonight. So how is everybody doing? What are you guys having for dinner tonight? Are you doing the one meal a day? Are you doing keto? I hope you guys are doing keto. Are you doing like a 16-hour window? Are you doing a 24-hour window? I myself am trying to get towards that 2-day window myself, a 48-hour window, and then I want to try to do 72 hours. So right now, like I said, I'm up to about 30 hours since the last time I ate. So let's dig in. I love shrimp. I don't know if you guys are a shrimp lover. So if you're not, well, you could fix this other ways. You could put pieces of chicken in here. So here's my shrimp and my cauliflower rice with butter and hot sauce. And then I've just used pink salt and everything. Yum. Yeah, if you want to do the same meal, you could just cook up some chicken breast and throw that in here if you didn't like shrimp. Yum. So here is my lettuce wrap. Some of my chicken breast fell out. I'll turn it over here to eat it. So there's the inside there. You see the chicken breast in there. And it's got that slice of cheese in there. It is cheddar cheese. I think I told you that. This one here, I didn't make a video on because it's so easy to make this meal. I just have a picture at the end to show you guys. So, but anyways, how's everybody enjoying these holidays? Boy, they sure can be stressful, huh? December can be a really hard month for people. They actually say it's one of the hardest months for like depression and suicide and all that. So really be kind and loving, and really look out for your family members, your friends. Really watch them, because during this time of the year it can be very, very sad. Christmas is so beautiful. The lights are so beautiful and all of that. And like I mentioned in my outfit of the day, it can be so beautiful, but it can also be overwhelming and sad. You know, people have lost people. They could be alone and not have anybody. Just try to be there for people and help them out, and definitely do a lot of praying and pray for them. That's always important. But yeah, December can be really hard. I mean, financially, it can be hard on people too. It can break you. But I love the month of December because I love Christmas, but it also can be very sad. But the reason I love it is it's my birthday and my little Miss Minnie's birthday. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's right up here. I'll point at her. Right there, sitting on my pillow. See my mini pillow I got for my neck? Isn't that cute? This thing I got from Aldi's, and it is the greatest purchase I ever made. It was $5, and I use it every single night for bed, and every single time I'm just kicked back, even sitting up watching a movie. It is so, like, some of the ones they make are really stiff or too soft. This is like the perfectness. It's like not too soft, not too hard. I love it. And I thought it was so cute because it says Pretty Minnie, and my dog's name is Minnie. You guys know that. So love this. $5 at Aldi's. And they have the boys and the girls style. But it, like, I'll show you, like, around my neck. It's perfect for, you know, adults or that. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's just, oh, it's so comfortable. I love it. I use it every single night. So, but anyways, no, it's Minnie's birthday this month. Hers is December 13th, and mine is December 14th. And then my nephew, Caden, his birthday is the 15th, and my nephew, Dell, his birthday was on the 1st. My brother's kids, Robbie's kids. So, yeah, we got a lot of birthdays in December. My brother, I also have a brother named Mark. His birthday's on the 23rd of December, so a lot of birthdays in December. But that's why I love it, because it's my birthday and my baby's birthday and my godson's birthday and my nephew's. So it's a fun month. So good. Just thought I'd do a quick, easy meal tonight. It's still a hot meal with this being hot and then this being cold. So it's good. Delicious. Look at that shrimp in there and that mild sauce. The lighting, I know, probably is so terrible in here compared to what it used to be at my old place. When I go over there, I just still try to do videos over there. But the lighting isn't the greatest in here, so I hope you guys can see me okay. Probably can't see me through my glasses. I got to do a tour in here and show you guys this room. I'm not completely done with it yet, but I got to show you how cute it is. Those back there, they look kind of ugly, but those right there, they're just a long sock, like a man's wool sock. And I've taken long grain, the kind you buy in the bag, the long grain rice, and you tie it in a sock like that. And it's, if you may have heard the name, it's called a Bed Buddy. I make them myself. They last 3 to 4 years. They last like forever, as long as you don't burn them in the microwave. If you burn them, that's not good because they'll stink. But you have to use the long grain, the one in the bag. You can't use the minute rice because it burns instantly. But you just do that, and I love it for like around your neck. It's so nice to round your neck down. You know, they're so long. You can lay it across your legs, across your arms, and I literally have to have them every single night. I have to have them when I'm watching a movie. Like, it just makes me feel cozy and warm, and just, I love them. And one is really old and one is really new. You can tell by the colors. So they do last a long time. Very easy to make. They can be used both ways. You can stick it in your freezer for a few hours and it's nice and cold, but I really hardly ever use it for that. I always use it heated up, and I just heat mine. I have a very strong wattage microwave, so I just do mine like 2 minutes at a time, and then I flip it, 2 minutes and flip it. But my microwave at home, that one I just put it for the two together. I lay them on top of each other and I do it for 6 minutes. That one at home is a 900 watt. This one here is 1100, I think. Sorry, got a call there. Knocked me off, everybody. But anyways, so his microwave is, my brother's, is a lot stronger. So I only do it for like a minute or two, and then I flip them a minute or two and flip them. Usually takes maybe 2 or 3 times of that, but I keep watching because I don't want to burn them. Because if they burn, they stink really bad, like burnt popcorn, and they just have a really bad smell forever then. Like, it's hard to get the smell out of it then. Then you got to make a new one. So just be really careful with them, but they are awesome. I have made them for like 6 years, and I use it every single night. No joke. Ask my husband. Yummy. No movie tonight. Last night, my husband and I, of course, were watching Christmas movies this time of the year. We always like to watch a movie before bed. And so last night we did A Christmas Story, and we also did a cartoon, A Charlie Brown Christmas. Love that one. And then the night before we did A Christmas Carol, George C. Scott. That is my most favorite one. That's my most favorite. And I love the Christmas Story. I mean, A Christmas Carol. It's my favorite. I love the storyline behind it. So good. So, not sure what we're going to watch tonight, but It'll be a Christmas one. So, just recently went and seen Creed 2. Oh my gosh, I love it. I am a huge Stallone fan. If you guys don't know that, I am. I have loved Stallone since I was 9. Like, I'm like in love with him. Sylvester Stallone, I'm in love with him. The first movie I ever watched of him was First Blood. And then I got into the Rocky movies, and I was probably like 9 or 10. I've been in love with him since then. I've loved to meet him. But anyways, I went and seen Creed 2, and oh, wow, that movie was so amazing, so touching. It was probably almost one of the best ones. Like, and if they ended, they could end it perfectly right there. They wouldn't even have to keep going. But wow, that movie was good. It even choked me up. I got teary-eyed a couple times. If you haven't seen it, definitely go see it. It was great. Awesome movie. Just makes me sad, though, because Stallone is getting up there in age. He's getting up there in age, but he's still absolutely gorgeous. Of course, in that movie, they make him look, you know, older, but, you know, he's getting up there. He's in his 70s. This is so yummy. If you guys have seen it, tell me down in the box and tell me what you thought of it. Out of all the Rocky movies, my favorite, believe it or not, is a toss-up between 4 and 5. I love 5 so much because Rocky's street fights. And I just love that about him, just that tough boy, you know, I love it. But number 4 is probably my most favorite, is number 4. It's my husband's most favorite too, when he fought Drago. I love that one, love the training he did in Russia and all that. I love it. So, but I love all the movies. I love how they went, and then, you know, they went into Creed and Creed 2, and oh man, Creed 2 was so good, so emotional and just touching. I love that they brought Drago back into it, and, you know, just how everything goes. I'm not going to tell you guys if you haven't seen it, but they do bring Drago back in, and then of course it's his son. I think you guys know that. You've probably seen previews. It's his son fighting Creed's son. And you got another call again. But if you remember in number 4, Rocky fought Drago, so did Creed, and Creed died. The Russian killed him. Drago killed him from a punch. And so Rocky fought him. Well, now in Creed 2, it's Creed's son fighting Drago's son. So. I never get phone calls, especially this time at night, maybe once in a while. Most people text me. I've already gotten 2 phone calls in a row, so I'm really sorry about that. It's so yummy. How many of you like shrimp on here? On here. How many people that watch me like shrimp? Do you like it cold better or hot? I like it both ways. I like it both ways. And I love that I also made, I showed a video to you guys. I made a homemade cocktail sauce because, of course, can't have regular cocktail sauce because it's not keto style. So I make a homemade one, but I have a video on that. So I'm just going to tear off the end of this lettuce here. It's kind of the ends of it. I don't like the very end of the lettuce there. That's probably good right there. So good. I was deciding between tuna fish or chicken, and I haven't had chicken for so long. And great way to do this because, of course, we can't have bread. Very, you know, low in fat, and a great way to hold your sandwich and see, because you can also just eat chicken out of a can or use it to dip like your pork rinds in or your Quest chips in. But here you got a sandwich to be able to hold it. You know, it's so good this way. I love it. I don't have to have bread. I honestly don't even miss bread anymore. It's been so many years for me, I don't even miss it. I've showed you guys too, you can do it on those wraps that I have. Just don't use those often, more for maintenance mode. But you could also use those wraps too. But it's great on a lettuce wrap because you get to taste all the stuff so much better. You know, just like a burger wrapped in lettuce, you just taste so much more. If you got all that bread weighing it down, you don't really taste much. I mean, yes, you still taste the sandwich. I'm not going to lie, but here you taste so much more. you know. See the cheese in there? Hope you guys can. The lighting is so terrible in here. I am getting full. Hard when you do that 1 meal a day and you get into a routine and you start going longer and longer. Oh my God. It's really hard to consume, you know. That's why I tried to keep the calorie down even lower today. And wanted to eat something a lot lighter because I knew I wouldn't be able to consume a lot. I'm getting very full. But I'm going to get to the 2-day fast. And I want to just let you guys know I'm so proud of my good friend Veronica has done longer fasting. She's done a 8-day fasting, and then she did one just recently. I'm not sure how many days she made at that time. And my good friend Monica is on her day 2 fasting, and she's going to do it for 3 days, and then she's going to break the fast and, you know, do it again or whatever. But I'm very proud of you, Monica, and very proud of you, Veronica. So, yum, yum, yum. So, I heard my nephew just get home. I don't know if he's going to open the door and come in here or not. Yum. Let's move that out of the frame there. Oh, this is really filling me up. So yeah, so it's my birthday next week, and I'll be doing an outfit of the day for you guys. You guys will get an outfit of the day on my actual birthday. So that'll be fun. It's going to be my second. You guys already got the first winter look I did. It's going to be my second winter look / Christmas, and then the last 2 are going to be more Christmassy. And of course, New Year's. There'll be an outfit for New Year's too. But yeah, it's been fun doing these, coming up with ideas for my Christmas idea outfits. My Fashion Fridays, right? I always was doing, you know, saying outfit of the day, because I used to do it like different times. Like I would just pick a day that I would say, okay, this is the day I'm going to do the outfit of the day. But I started always in the last few months, always on a Friday. So it's my Fashion Friday. I am so full. I'm like forcing this in. Did you hear that? That's my nephew yelling at the dog. His dog. But yeah, I feel like I'm forcing this in now, so I'm just going to stop. Yes, it's only a couple bites, and people be like, just finish it. I'm just so full. And I got full, you know, quite a few bites before, so I didn't want to keep going and get so full. It's just, I mean, it's only 2 more shrimp and about 2 more bites of that, so I'm just going to quit because I'm just so full. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. I hope you will try it out. I hope all of you guys are doing well with your keto if you are doing keto. I hope the people that are doing the OMAD, the 1 meal a day, continue to stay strong with that. If you guys are fasting, congratulations. I know I do have another friend. What is she? Gosh, I'm so sorry. I forgot the name. Floppy Bob. She also has done a fast. She made it 6 days, I think. Congratulations to you too, honey. And anybody else that is doing, you know, intermittent fasting or longer fasting, or actually fasting long enough to get into that autophagy. Awesome job to all of you. And I'm going to be getting there too. So, but anyways, let's finish up this mukbang. You guys take care, everybody. Whoops, got a little tongue-tied there. Everybody take care. God bless. And I will see each and every one of you in my very next video. And always remember to, come on, everybody, say it with me. Always keep it keto.